So it really is just a really big keystone animal and representation of what Ifa represents. Ifa represents progress, and nothing progresses like an elephant. Nothing can stop it. That's why when you look at the phrase Ifa wa, means Ifa will not be detained. Ifa will progress. It was first commemorated by the elephant, being that nothing can stop it from moving forward and progressing. So that's why Orumila was always identified as the elephant, because nothing, he didn't allow anything to stop Ifa's progress or survival even till this day.